Hello, my name is Andrew Todd and I'm Supervisor of Mathematics for Wicomico County Public Schools. This video is intended to help you understand how mathematics instruction has changed with the recent adoption of Maryland College and Career Readiness Standards. This video will also showcase online resources that will help you to better understand the mathematics content and instructional strategies that are taking place in today's math classrooms. With our recent adoption of new standards, considerable instructional shifts have taken place. These shifts focus on development of conceptual understandings. While the procedures of solving mathematics problems remain important, a renewed focus on developing understandings is now at the forefront of our instruction. Teachers strive for students to understand the why behind math processes. Instructional strategies such as the use of models and real-life context allow students to better understand the algorithm and apply the concepts in a variety of ways. This is why in math class, students are interacting with many different applications and are required to explain their reasoning. This instructional approach requires students to be active thinkers and problem solvers during math class and at home when completing their assignments. Our standards list 8 student behaviors which should be developed and showcased daily. Assignments should reflect these practices and instructional strategies. As can be expected, some instructional strategies may not be as familiar to students or parents as traditional algorithms. This is why our district has created as part of our website a guide for parents that can help to explain the strategies our students are learning in math class. Starting at our homepage, www.wcboe.org, you will notice a link to the right specifically for families. Highlighting this link pulls up a tab for Parent Math Support. Once you click this button, you should then click Help with Math and you'll be transported into our Parent Mathematics Support portal. You're going to notice on the left 2 buttons, one for elementary and one for middle school. Elementary services students from pre-K to 5, while middle school services students from grades 6 to 8. Today we're going to focus on elementary mathematics strategies. On the left you will see all of the grades that belong to the elementary grades. Today we're going to focus on grade 4, so all I'm going to do is click on 4th grade. Now what you see over here on the right is an overview of the entire curriculum in grade 4. You're going to see the 3 critical areas that are focused on in grade 4, including developing understanding with fluency of multi-digit multiplication, also developing an understanding of fraction equivalence and addition and subtraction of fractions, as well as understanding that geometric figures can be analyzed and classified based on their properties. On the left you're going to see all of the different units that are going to be taught during the course of the year. Today we're going to focus on Unit 2. Over here on the right in Unit 2 is all the content that the teacher is going to teach during the unit. All the content is broken down by standards, and you're going to notice a couple things about the standards. First, if a standard is colored green, that means that the standard is considered major content. Standards that are not colored green are also important, but they're just not as important as the major content within each unit. Within the unit, within these standards, you're going to find a definition for each standard. With each definition, you're also going to see examples as well as instructional strategies that are going to be used to teach the standard. Today we're going to look at one specific standard which has to do with multiplying 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. That's standard 4 NBT B5. The standard says to multiply a whole number of up to 4 digits by 1-digit whole number and multiply 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. It's very important to note that this standard requires strategies based on place value and properties of operations. Students will have to illustrate and explain the calculation using equations, rectangular arrays, and/or area models. It's also important to note that students in grade 4 do not learn the standard algorithm, which means that the strategies that are going to be shared here are going to be the focus of instruction. These strategies that teachers are going to be using include base 10 blocks in drawings, rectangular arrays, bar models, and area models. Many of these strategies may be unfamiliar to you, which is the reason why diagrams are provided, as well as examples, and videos which link actual examples to these strategies. Today we're actually going to look at a video for showing the area model for multiplying 2-digit numbers. Now, each video that we include in our resource is free. However, some videos do require free registration from parents. All you need to do is provide your name and a valid email address and you're off. So for this lesson, all you have to do is you just have to click and hit play, and the video is basically going to take you through all aspects of this strategy. You're going to notice very clear pictures and a step-by-step analysis of exactly how this concept is developed. These are the exact same instructional strategies that are being offered in your child's math class. As always, you are encouraged to contact your child's teacher in regards to the specific instructional strategies that are taking place in each unit. Our hope is that these resources that were shared here provides additional support for you and your child as both teachers and students strive to develop conceptual mathematics understandings. One resource that the district offers families is the annual Summer Expo and More event. It is being held Thursday, March 3rd from 5:30 to 7 o'clock at James M. Bennett High School. Come by and meet community groups that offer summer learning programs to help keep your children occupied and engaged. Come meet teachers and administrators who will share information about math, reading, and programs such as Naviance and STEM. Contact members of the planning team if you have questions, and no registration is required.
Hi, I'm George Whitehead, Chair of Salisbury's Promise. This program is brought to families through a grant from America's Promise Alliance to Salisbury's Promise in conjunction with Wicomico County Public Schools. Thank you for watching. Please continue to tap into school and community resources for your child's success.